Exterior cladding gets expensive fast, so let us look at the smartest, low-cost siding materials for truly budget-friendly home construction. When you are trying to stretch every dollar, start by comparing vinyl siding, engineered wood lap, budget-grade fiber, cement plank, and basic metal panels, because each solves a different problem for a different price point. Vinyl siding usually wins on upfront cost and low maintenance, so focus on simple profiles and light colors that resist fading and keep heat down. Engineered wood lap gives you a more authentic wood look with fewer maintenance headaches than real wood. Just plan on careful sealing at joints and regular repainting every 10 to 15 years. Budget-grade fiber cement plank works well if you want durability and fire resistance at a mid-level price. But you must follow the fastening pattern, keep a small gap off concrete, and use high-quality caulk at all seams. Metal panels can be surprisingly affordable for a modern look if you choose standard panel widths, a simple layout, and a basic factory finish instead of custom colors. To pull everything together, keep trim profiles minimal, rely on paint changes to create contrast, and concentrate any upgraded details near the front door where people notice them most. One common mistake is chasing the absolute cheapest product without checking local climate, which often leads to warping, swelling, or premature fading. Instead, pick the lowest cost material that still matches your weather and sun exposure, even if it means a slightly higher upfront price. Another issue is sloppy installation at corners, windows, and foundation lines, which invites water behind the siding and causes rot or mold. The fix is to insist on proper flashing, house wrap, and manufacturer-specified clearances, and to visually inspect these areas before they are covered. A third problem is overspending on fancy trim boards and decorative pieces that add complexity but little value. You can solve this by choosing straight runs, clean corners, and using paint contrast to frame windows and doors instead of stacking on expensive trim. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier for homeowners to match these siding choices with local contractors who understand budget-friendly construction. We also help contractors find more work and tap into our discussion community where homeowners and pros trade real-world tips about materials, installation tricks, and cost-saving ideas that actually work on site.